Hi ladies, my sweet daughter-in-law gave me this wrap. Isn't it pretty? And the fabric is fabulous because it's sweater knit. And I love sweater knit. But I don't really need another wrap. But I will tell you what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to hold my arm out here and show you that I'm going to make a dolman sleeve jacket. Yay! Another jacket, but a sweater that will go over anything. And I think you can see when I hold my arm down what that dolman sleeve is going to look like. Now, I love this side. I think I like it better than this side. So if you look at this, when I turn around the back, can you see I have two of them? So perfect fronts. And that's what the dolman will look like. That's what the jacket will look like. Isn't that cool? So I'm very excited about it because it has a finished edge. And I'll show you. The finished edge is here. And the finished edge is here. So it already has a finished edge. So the bottom will be finished. Now it will be 3/4 sleeves. It's not going to be long sleeves, but that's perfect because it's a very lightweight knit. So it will go over anything. So stay tuned and I'll show you the end. I am so excited. I want to share this with you. So you saw the wrap that my daughter-in-law, Diana, gave me. And I said to you, I loved the fabric because it's sweater knit. This is what I made. This is the jacket. Is this cool? I love it. It is just as comfortable as can be. This is the front. This is the back. Isn't this cute? Now, I do want to share with you, I didn't use any French fuse on this. And the reason I didn't, I really wanted to keep it kind of like what it is. I may wind up going back and putting French fuse just on the front. It does stick to whatever you have on very nicely. So that kind of thing is totally up to you. But I love this. Don't you think it turned out good? Now, let me show you what I did. I used, and if you don't know how to do this, please go to the website and go to the search engine under free videos and put in there dolman sleeve. And it'll tell you how to make a dolman sleeve off your master pattern. But the best part of your master pattern on the back side of it is a dolman sleeve overlay. Fast. Okay, so I made my dolman sleeve pattern. This is what it looks like. And I folded this in half. I folded the wrap in half. And one part of it was the back. There's the back. And then the other side were the two fronts. This is cool. This was easy. So let me show you how I finished this off. Now the bottom of this is like a sweater. So that's the finish and I kept it. The bottom of the sleeve, let me hold this up. Let's see. This might be easier for you to see. The bottom of the sleeve was already finished too. So I used that to my advantage. I made sure that the bottom of the sleeve was the finished edge when I cut it out. Then what I did was I folded the front to the inside and I pressed it and then I top stitched it because I wanted to give that a little bit more weight so it would hang. I wanted to V-neck this, so this is the easiest way to show you. I folded it back. I glued it in place with Steam-a-Seam, and then I cut off the excess. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and this is what it looks like on the outside. So dolman sleeve sweater out of a wrap. Thank you, Diana. What do you think, girls?